Honors degrees in the Faculty of Arts are about going further with your studies. Welcome everyone to another guide from the Faculty of Arts at the University of Alberta. As always, we are located on the UAlberta's North Campus in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, in Treaty 6 territory. Treaty 6 is the homeland of the Cree, Nakota Sioux, Anishinaabe, Dene, Blackfoot, and Métis peoples. It is also home to many visitor and guest Indigenous peoples as well as settlers. The Faculty of Arts has 22 different honors programs providing our students choice for enhancing their studies. While undergraduate research opportunities are available to all arts students, honors has research and networking built in. Think of honors as an enhanced Bachelor of Arts degree. So, what's the difference between an honors degree and a Bachelor of Arts degree? Honors students engage in more research project-based courses than our standard BA students, and are provided additional mentorship and guidance in the form of honors advisors and professors. Essentially, honors students study further into their respective discipline. For example, the BA major in sociology has the following 11 requirements, while the Bachelor of Arts Honors in Sociology has 15, 2 of which are specifically honors courses. The two programs do also share the same 5 basic requirements shown here. So how does honors work? Transfer students from other programs, even the BA, apply using the same application as they would to any other program at the University of Alberta. Transfer students can also transfer directly into an honors major, or combined honors with 2 focuses. High school students can apply directly into honors programs, however, they start in a foundation year without a major, much like a Bachelor of Arts undeclared student. We have a variety of majors and departments, and you may not have heard of all of them. So, the foundation year provides you with the opportunity to explore multiple departments and disciplines. Our incoming honors students can then make informed decisions on which disciplines they would like to focus on for their honors degree. Foundation year consists of courses from the basic requirements list as well as introductory courses to any of the disciplines that a student is interested in for their honors degree. Networking and events. Honors students are invited to multiple research, networking, and conference-like events throughout the year. These events are opportunities for honors students to connect with their peers and with professors. Some honors students are going to move on to graduate studies, and others will go directly into the workforce. Either way, these events are valuable for providing students with a network and strategies for success. There will be guest lectures, and there will also be opportunities for undergraduate research to be presented to other students. That was a brief overview of the honors program. If you have any questions, please email us at arts.undergrad@ualberta.ca. Thank you and have a wonderful day.